It is available in Prime Black and Prime Blue color variants. You can choose between 4GB RAM, 64GB ROM and 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM variants depending on your usage. Now let us look at its large 6.72-inch full-screen display. It comes with a center punch-hole display, 90Hz ultra-smooth refresh rate, 680 nits of peak brightness, and 91.4% screen-to-body ratio. Comes with flagship-grade premium two-tone design which makes the N55 stand out from the crowd. The 7.89mm thin beauty feels easy to hold and lightweight to carry around easily. Built with super high-res 64-megapixel primary AI camera with ProLight imaging technology to shoot crisp and clear shots. Its massive 5000 mAh battery with fast 33-watt super Wooch charging for best battery life.